Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show.
Gatho cia mwanya hamwe roreri witu o ringi thiini wa mitambo ino ya Juice Kenya Official nitwacokia nigetha tukorwo tukiaraniria meri matatu thiini wa ceceni ino kuma nenda citu ciokinyaniria na hau ri umuthi ni ndiramenya ati ni ngukorwo ngihurwo haro nene muno ni undu wa ndumiriri iria ngukorwo ngirekereria ha ni tondu ndumiriri o ino kana ujumbe o ni ukoretwo ukirekererio ni mundu gwetwo Bonke G thiini wa Facebook ugithio mwethe ni ukuona na ndumiriri ino yakorirwo akirekereria March 20 o iria nie mwena wakwa ni ngoretwo ngimihurira mukonde hani no ti muno thikiriria ndumiriri ino no ni ya githungu mwiroreri thikiriria mundu gwetwo Bonke G thiini wa Facebook ni okite akandika atiriri wari mweri 20 March mweri wa gatatu o mweri uyu wahetukire mweri wa gifao na ningi agiuka akiuga atiriri bullying a person may appear to be fun because it brings out the savage nature of us, the need to dominate others, the need to show strength and power. More often than not, a person that bullies does it without knowing the consequences until they themselves become the victim. My thoughts, oyo ni Bonke G arauga. If DJ Fatxo is innocent with all the cyberbullying he has received, his career, family, future, his mental status, and maybe or may not, it was opposite of what the social media narrative is. Take him as your friend or a relative. Yes, justice for Jeff. Alright, lakini but good people, let's also resonate and ask ourselves very hard question. Why is DJ Fatxo not arrested? Is he guilty or not? This boy got a family, a village to go back, and his soul too. As we troll him and persecute him, remember you are not special either. As you type your judgment, do you have facts or evidence? Can you be Fatxo for a moment and you are innocent and the social mob justice is on you? Still, I advocate for justice for Jeff. Will you handle it? My brothers and sisters, as you type that word, just resonate and be that person. How many times have you been judged wrongly? That's the point now. How many people do you know were judged wrongly? Secondly, for being in the last place that you are at the wrong time. As we seek justice, let us be real. I'm not venting, just trying to be real. Cyberbullying is real and it has become a reality. If you feel me, it's okay. If it's not okay with you, I'm okay too. My thoughts though. Ucio ni mundu gwetwo Bonke G akoretwo akiandika thiini wa Facebook account yake. No horo uyu nduoeirwo wega ni tondu he andu aingi mokire makiuga atiriri. Reke nguthomere. What of Jeff? Mundu gwetwo Dennis okiria kiuria atiriri, what of Jeff? Jeff had a family, village too. Ogiagoka atiriri akauga atiriri, my question is, mbona wengine wanashikwa when associated with murder cases to allow for investigation then released when proven innocent, but yeye hashikwi? All those who are in his house and nobody has been arrested so far. Ogiagoka akauga atiriri haha, he long post for what? Cyberbullying when a life has been lost. Ogiagoka akauga atiriri, what is he even saying? The guy is speaking sense. I second him. Devil sign. Then you try to hide yourself behind on your watch. Macio ni maundu maria makoretwo makihanika no ta njira atiriri we urorera atia urokorwo ukioira atia uhoro uyu ukoretwo ukiandikwo ni mundu gwetwo Bonke G thiini wa Facebook account yake. Njira thiini wa comment section tuna ni kaida kangi gatari karaya.